welcome to Let's Learn. Today we are going to see some of the terms related to literature and literary theory. So we have completed up to psychoanalytic criticism. In the last class we saw deconstruction and psychoanalytic criticism. Now today we are going to see feminism. So feminism is a theory or is an approach that developed in 19th century. Okay, so feminism is a range of social movements, political movements and ideologies that aim to define and establish the political, economic, personal and social equality of the sexes. And so as we all know that what feminism is and what it stands for and what are the aims of feminism, we have already seen it, because in the last class we were discussing about Ellen Showalter and the essays concerned is related with or discuss on this topic of feminism. So we know that what it is, it basically stands for the social equality, all types of equality of sexes or genders. Now there are three waves. The first wave of feminism, it dealt with property rights and the right to vote. That is, actually during those days there were no rights to vote. Okay, so as in order to challenge this situation or to change this situation, to bring some reforms, some women, they tried to do some kind of revolutions. They did some kind of rebellions and protests in order to get property rights and right to vote. It was not there. Okay, and then in the second wave feminism, this is actually a generalized wave. Okay, it's not specifically related to feminism in literary theory. This is general feminism. Okay, generally how this particular movement is considered. Okay, now we have second wave feminism. In this wave or in this appraisal or change, that change focused on equality and anti-discrimination. Okay, the second aim was to bring some kind of equality and anti-discrimination towards women. And the third wave feminism was actually started in 1990s, and the main criticism towards the first and second waves of feminism was that they only focused the problems or addressed the problems of white and straight women. Okay, so this, in order to address these issues, in order to identify the problems of women other than white and straight women, of course that bisexuals and LGBT, that kind of issues, see that kind of people, to address their problems, their human right problems and that kind of things, the third wave feminism started in 1990s. Now in literature, when it comes to literature, feminism or feminist literature is some kind of fiction or non-fiction drama or poetry which supports the feminist goals of defining, establishing and defending equal civil, political, economic and social rights for women. So it comes to in literature, the writers, the authors who are feminists, they try to write some kind of text or works that deal with these kind of themes, like in order to defend the rights of women.